Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a cooking episode for you today. Not your normal cooking episode. So what this is, I don't want to give too much away. I'd rather you just see it. So this is a meme that I saw online, and it just had a picture of what I'm going to be making here, and the description was violently American. So just gonna leave it at that. When I saw it, I was like, yes, this needs to happen. So without giving too much away, let's take a look at the video and see what you guys think. Okay, so that was awful. What am I doing? I don't even know what to say about this. This is just awful. I mean, my doctor would kill me. God. So I made this monstrosity, which incidentally was pretty much amazing for absolute junk garbage food that you could possibly eat. As you can imagine, fairly greasy. When I was making it, I was asked, well, aren't you going to film you eating this afterwards? And the answer to that is no, I'm not going to film it because I don't want any kind of video evidence that that was actually consumed by a human being. It should not have been. It was. Sadly. I'm not going to say who ate it, but it was good. Now, the one thing that I will say about what I made is the pizza that I chose to go with it was just a normal red sauce pizza. I think it would have been a little bit better with, if you can find them. I couldn't find any, but if you can find like a little barbecue pizza, that might taste a little bit better. It would kind of go with the other ingredients. The red sauce, it has a certain kind of sweetness to it that I felt clashed in a kind of odd way with the ketchup and other ingredients. The French fries actually added kind of an interesting layer to it. And then, of course, the rest is just basically burger. You just had your bread and everything else and, cheese. The pepperoni acted almost like its own type of meat that you might put on a burger. The ketchup was fine. Again, we're just dealing with regular burger stuff when it comes to that. So the rest of it was actually pretty good. That's the only critique I think I would have to this, was the red sauce made it a little bit odd. It did not stop it from being eaten. I think that with this, unfortunately, you could actually get secondhand heart disease from this, at least clog up an artery too. I had 3 strokes just while eating it. So just be careful. God, that was a terrible decision. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. shoot me a comment down below. Let me know what you have, what you thought, what you think could be done differently. And we'll see you next time.